right, guys, how are you? So today we are on, what is this, day seven? Day seven, activity one. So we're just talking about, I'm just going to talk about the importance. I don't want you to fall off here. The importance of this step that takes your digital business from good to great. It does make a difference, right? We're going to talk about today, I'm going to talk about these three crucial elements, and it's planning your content, writing promotional emails, and scheduling social media posts, right? A content calendar. Now you'll find it here in the resources in this course. I have the calendar for you, and I've created a calendar just for this course as well. So I'll have that for you that you can take. You can use it as a template. You can change it, fix it, do whatever. But these three are the backbones to being consistent, well-rounded, having everything tied in, having a great marketing strategy, and it keeps your audience engaged and your brand on top of their mind. And that's what you want to do, to keep them at the top, right? So planning your content calendar, right? That's the first thing. First thing is planning a content calendar. So imagine building a house without a blueprint. It would be chaotic, right? How do you know what nails to buy? So if you say you're going to have a header and it's got to be this thick, then you need a nail to go down that thick, right? You have to have framers, dormers. You have to know the glues and stuff. Yes, you can buy as you go, but you need to know the next steps, right? You can find it. That's why you go and you have these plans drawn up, right? Same thing with your business, having a plan, So for your content, a content calendar helps you stay organized. All you got to do is look at it. I love whiteboards. You look at my house, I have whiteboards, and I have on there, do this today, do this today, do this, this is it, this is it. And then on some days, I'm so excited where I have a bunch of things ticked off already that I had even planned that would take me more time than I thought, and then I'd be at the end of the week already, and I'm like, man, I already completed this week, and it's just like Thursday, end of Wednesday, Thursday. That makes me feel good. Or what I had scheduled for Monday, I actually have completed, and I've started over on Wednesday's items, still in the allotted time that I allowed for me to work on Monday. All right. So being organized really, really helps. And if I show you here just a little bit of my organization skills with time management, here you see I have many notes, many things. So under course creation here, the things, so I don't have to ever go back and open up Canva and say, what did I have for this? What did I have that? No, I have it right here, knowing the Canva color codes for start your own business. So right here, I have a lead generation here that I have created, right? I have my about me for start your own business, right? Which is different from my coach A, right? And then when you see this here with the strike throughs, I have the strike throughs, meaning I already done it, right? So as I go and I open this folder, I have a list of things. So I have my webinar under my course creation, because why I created these. Look at this. I have narrow down videos to create scaling your business, brand niche video, branding and designing, right? Walking through the process. So these are blogs, right? Under the blog section for SEO. These are the courses, the course content. So I have a heading placed inside of a course. See, look at this, considering a membership. This is when I was thinking out, going through the process, right? And then and the last time I did anything, but this was on July 20th at 2024 at 11:48 a.m. Right? So I have my other courses that I have here: Faith and Finances course, Faith and Business course. I have, and so now I have another drop down for my Start Your Own Business courses. The Platinum that I am bringing up together. I have the Platinum, I have the Premium, I have the Basics. This is Basics Beta, and I have the Basics, and then I have the Basics Business course, which is totally different from the Start Your Own Business, right? So, and so when I'm here with the Start Your Own Business Basics, this is it. I have my community links where I can just grab and go and paste them onto the Reels real quick in the description on YouTube, or place them in anywhere I need them on a blog. I just grab and go because I have them already captured, right? I have my hashtags and my tags for the website and the blog that are my tags, literally called tags. I'm thinking way too much. And then these are my video links that I've already uploaded onto YouTube, into the playlist, and I have them here. This is the overview, this is the mission and vision, this is the 10-day plan, 7 days. So then as I create these videos, I'll keep adding them more, and I'll have the YouTube links, that links right there to them. Right now we are on day 7. So if I scroll through all of these, and the one we are on that I'm doing right now, what did I say? Day 7, task 1, right? So I have this is an example, and then I need to create a carousel. So this is what I'll be creating. This is work that needs to be done. Day 8, final steps. I need to, buffer days, I need to create this in a document. Day 2, I need to do a video, which like this. So it lets me know I need to do this talking video right here. But if I go and look at something I just done, you see how I cross out, I've done this video. It says done, talking video, create a video at bottom following the instructions. So I'm going to do a Mela Light video, I believe it's at the bottom of that one. Done, talking videos, create one carousel below. I'm turning that into a carousel. Day 4 is done, talking video done, put on a document and do demonstration. So I have 2 more things to do with this one here. Some that are already completed. I have here, it might be this one here. No, not that one. Oh, these like this. Okay, here it is. I have, when I open it up and I see this, I don't even read nothing else in it because it's already done. Done. I don't need to do anything else, right? Everything is, I don't need to do anything else. So that is the importance of planning and scheduling, right? Being consistent. It helps me stay organized. It ensures that I have consistent deliverable even for myself and creating for my clients, my customers, with my coaching side, delivering what type of content I'm gonna create and make for my audience. It maps out my posts, my blogs, my videos ahead of time. I know the, what do you call it, the thumbnails, the lead magnets, the headings, the hooks. Gives me a clear vision on what my content will look like for the upcoming weeks, how much content I can expect to give out. Like today, I woke up and I said, hey, I need to do at least about 20 videos. That's what I told myself, but it hasn't been that many. In 2 hours, I had done 4 videos like this. This one for now, I have one more video after this. So everything that I set out to do today, it is done. So it saves time. It saves stress that comes upon you when you do last minute things. It allows for great management of your time. To strategically align your content with key dates, promotion, and launches. So if I'm launching something for Halloween, I need to get it out now. If I'm launching something for Black Friday, I need to get it out now. Those things. Start making content for Christmas. If I'm doing that for my t-shirt store, make sure my t-shirts over there lined up for Christmas. Just different things. What I'm dropping for starting a campaign in November for 2025. So that is the importance. So the next one is writing promotional emails, okay? Emails that list, right? One of the most direct ways to communicate with your audience, right? They have come to you. They want to hear what you have to say. And when you do this right and effectively, it drives engagement, boosts sales, and deepens the relationship with your customers. Now remember, one of the things, the ultimate end thing of everything that you do is sales. It's money. It's getting your money out of their pockets. That's it. Right? You have a business. Start thinking like that. What can you do next to get some money out of their pockets, right? What are they looking for? What are problems or solutions that you can solve, right? That you have for them, right? To get the money. You are running a business, right? If that makes you feel uncomfortable, yes, but it's not for free. You can do whatever you want to for free. That's great. But at some point, you have to bring in an income, right? Now, your email list, you nurture them. You don't just say, hey, give me your money. You nurture them. It takes work. You got to milk that money out of them. You got to milk that cow, right? So, and in doing so, email marketing, promotional emails are amazing. Your email list will be filled eventually, if you don't have one, with people who have already shown their interest in you, right? So make the most of it. Use it. Craft emails that are personalized, directed straight to them through the campaign that they signed up for. If someone said, hey, you had a campaign, say, hey, I like yellow, I like purple. The people who agree with you signed up and gave you their email off the purple list, then you have a nurturing email campaign for them. Those who like yellow, you go down the yellow line with them and you say, hey, you like yellow? What about this? This is what I have for my yellow likers. Those things, right? Emails that are personal to how they found you. It's very value driven. It's action oriented. When you do it that way, having those campaigns and those emails lined up like that, these email promotions really, really work and are effective. Now, very effective when you're announcing a new product, offering a special discount, sharing a helpful tip. Promotional emails keep your audience's promotional emails, to sum this up, keeps your audience engaged, right, and informed about what you're doing next, what you're doing behind the scenes, and then you just wow them with a new product. You've been over there communicating with us this whole time. I've been seeing you on your lives. I've been seeing you on your reels. Your Instagram is blowing up, and you still had time to create a new some more content. It blows their mind, but you nurture them and you keep them informed. Next is scheduling social media posts, right? Finally, last thing we're going to talk about, scheduling your social media posts, which is where your brand lives. It lives and it breathes in your social media posts. I'm pulling up my notes there. Make sure I hit my bullet points. Same thing with planning. See, it's how you stay connected with your audience. So one thing about social media is you have to be consistent. Consistency is key, and that's where the scheduling comes in form. I've used Affy. You now can use Instagram scheduling. You can schedule in Meta through Facebook Meta. You can schedule your posts. They can go out. You can schedule on your website through your blog, but by planning and scheduling your posts in advance. You ensure that your content is reaching your audience at optimal times without overwhelming you with daily posting tasks. I have tried that. Oh, I need to have the post, because if you look at your analytics behind the scenes, look at Instagram, YouTube, it says my best times are 11 and 2 on my main channel. Now, Awanza, the channel that I took years to build. So over there it says 11 and 2. So I need to have content out before 11 a.m. and before 2 p.m., right? So that those who log on at 11 and 2 will have something to see from me. Well, without scheduling, that became overwhelming. Like, yeah, I did it straight for 30 days, and being live it really impacted my channel. It really grew my Instagram. It really grew my presence. But I couldn't keep feeding that. So I had to think of being realistic, right? That's when I did the scheduling. What's the difference between going live and scheduling? I've been doing now on this channel, showing the importance of going live and trying to hurry up and build your channel organically, not paying anybody or paying for views or bots or anything like that. Going organically, and it shows you the difference in your live to get to those 4,000 watch hours, right? But for the most part, consistency. They just want a video dropped at the same time, but they expect it to see you. That's what they're looking for. That's what your audience looks for, right? But through scheduling, it allows you to maintain your consistent presence across many platforms. Several. And we talked about the platforms and different platforms, and you free up your time. You free up your time to do something else, knowing that you will get an alert on your phone and saying, hey, you just posted. The scheduling, if you have it set up like that, will let you know. So I've used Apphi, which is APPHI. I've used Hootsuite, and I've done it by manual labor, doing it every single time myself. But you have Buffer you can use. Let me see. And monitor your engagement. Oh my goodness, that's one thing. You can post automatically as much as you like, but you need to monitor the engagement and adjust your strategy. If you get more views at 6 p.m. than you do at 2 p.m., then make sure you have a post going out at 6 as opposed to at 2, right? So by planning your content calendar, writing your effective promotional emails, and scheduling social media posts, you're setting yourself up for success. I'm telling you that right now. You will not get burnt out. You schedule a day, take a day aside. I'm making a bunch of videos. Last week I made a bunch of videos. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I do. I go on Canva. Yesterday I made a lot of content. Today I'm doing a lot of videos. So set yourself up and set yourself up for success and not burn out. Because right now I'm like, how many more videos I got? I'm over this. Why? Because now I have to go and edit them, then post them and make thumbnails. And add them to the course. So there are different steps I have to do along the way. And I'm ready to move on to the next one, right? So the more you plan, the more you can focus on creating quality content that resonates with your audience, right? The more your focus, the more better your outcome of your output, right? So until next video, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.